Gold stayed bullish for the day, hitting the highs close to 39.50 mark here. While when you talk about crude oil, after giving a good opening, it has failed to yet trade beyond 62 mark, the crucial resistance, as we have discussed few hours. But it is Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones which is showed a little swings, and rather I'll say stayed bullish for the day. So what to expect now from these four instruments: gold, crude oil, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see here in this one single update. With the help of charts and indicators, we are going to arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Do like, share, and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with crude oil, lastly Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly chart, see the 5-period moving average so far acting as a stronger hurdle for gold to trade below. It has tried to breach its couple of occasions, but failing to trade below, failing to close below. I will wait for it to close below the 5-period moving average at least, which means in fact even if you see it is staying below 39.38, you can take a sell. But I'll say the first hurdle should be at around 39.30, 28. The next should be at around 39. 2018. Only and only if you see gold trading below 39.20 and 18, you can say now the bears are back, and that too you will find getting the support at 39.10 and 3900. Now, as we have discussed few hours back, the strongest zone for gold is going to be towards 38.80 and 3900 mark. Only and only if you see gold trading below 38.80, you can say that it's a reversal, and then you can expect a drop, else it is yet not showing signs of bearishness. Stochastic right now looking downwards. The MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover. See, a straight rise is seen. Possibly a reversal cannot be denied, because see, from these levels in general, gold prices tries to reverse, and this could be the same zone. Stochastic RSI also staying overbought here. Look at 2 hour charts now. On the 2 hour charts, what's happening? See, preceding two candles, lower highs, higher lows. Very crucial for gold to trade below 39.30 and 39.20 mark. This should confirm further downside from there. And see, right now you can see none of the candles closed below 5-period moving average. And since the crossover, we can see the moving average is trading bullish, trading with divergence. So let's watch out for how it behaves till towards 39.30 and 39.20 mark, below which you can certainly expect more bearishness to follow. Look at the consolidation which is going on right now. Wait for a breakout from this consolidation zone. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is still divergent and bullish, and see it is delivering wave. Possibly this could be the culmination of this bullish wave here. Possibly this might crossover, but wait for a crossover in order to confirm the possible reversal. RSI overbought here. Things are definitely staying overbought, not only on the smaller time frame but on the larger time frame as well. Look at the 3 hour chart. See, bullishness getting diminished here, but this is gold. If it gives you a breakout beyond 39, so if you see gold now trading beyond 39, 56, 58, you can expect another round of rise. That is the point of time you can say now the bulls are back. But right now what we are looking at diminishing bullishness. We are looking at a reversal sign, and thus I'll wait for it to trade below 39.30 and 39.1820 mark, which will confirm the downside from there. Right now it is struggling. Right now it is not showing any signs of such bearishness. Also notice, see what it has done previously. 3900 was the resistance. It has given a breakout, and now it is on a breakout journey here. The stochastic overbought, MACD at the top here again, and yes, it is still room for further rise, but I am still watchful on the upside. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 4, when you look at 4 hour chart, see, since this zone, since 3600, first, second, third, and this is the fourth wave here, staying bullish, delivering higher highs. This is almost at the top of it, and there is a possibility for it to move towards the bottom. The bottom right now here is at around 3900, 38, 80 mark. Let's wait if at all gold tries to reverse today. The stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. The RSI overbought as well. Coming to the day, now look at the daily charts here. Also you can see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. This is a nice beautiful bullish channel. The support for the day is somewhere here at around 3900, 3880 mark. Now even if gold closes below 3920 levels today, if at all it closes below 3920 levels today, this will increase the possibility of a red candle tomorrow. But now this is the zone 3800, 39, 3880, 3900 mark you should watch out for. This is the strongest support zone which gold has to break today. Only and only if, not today, in this week, only and only if you see it staying below this will confirm a reversal. As you can see, the 5-period moving average since long has been a wall for the gold here, and now it has to trade below this 5 period moving average in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Moving average is definitely trading with divergence, staying strongly bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD overbought, RSI overbought. Things are staying extremely overbought here. Now, considering this, what you should do, I'll recommend you to first buy only if you see it now staying above 39.46 mark. Expect 39.54, or rather I will say 39 here, 52 first, and then 39.58 60 second. Now till 39.60 mark, the chances of reversal will be, and in fact I'll include 39.65 as well. But once it trades now beyond 39.65, just stay bullish for 39.80, and then the most critical number at 4,000 will arrive here. Now this is the number which everybody is looking for. This is a psychological mark which gold would like to breach, and this could be a biggest hurdle for gold as well, because already we had seen a very good rally. It may shy away from breaking beyond the 4,000 mark here. So let's wait. Today's move is going to remain very, very crucial. Where it closes the day is also going to remain equally important. On the downside, I will now recommend you to sell here at 39.34 mark. Expect 39.30 or 39.28, 39 2018. Once it trades below this, still there are supports available towards 39.10 and 3900. Now it is getting into critical zone here till 38.80. It has got extremely crucial support. Once it trades below 38.80, you can expect a greater down move here. What we are looking at from there, 38.40 and in fact 3800 mark very, very, very soon. But right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. It requires a lot much of courage for gold to now show such kind of dip. Though we had seen a stronger bullish momentum in last few weeks, where right from 3300 mark, right now we are sitting at 39 40 50 marks here, and it has to retrace, though it is not showing such sign. Let's wait. What happens today is going to remain important. Take your trades accordingly, just stick to the levels here. Now let's move to crude oil. Now see what US crude has done so far. You can see since forming a base here at 60.51, rise retracement, then it has given a gap of slight retracement, third rise retracement. We have discussed earlier in the day, very, very crucial for oil to trade beyond 62. What has happened? It has shied away from 62 and again trying to retrace. But interestingly, the moving averages have crossed over here, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. Also, we are looking at higher lows here. So let's wait for it to trade beyond 62. That will be the confirmation of further bullishness. Else, I'll wait and not take any position as of now, specifically on the buy side. Stochastic right now looking downwards. The MACD has seen a good retracement. Look at this. It might follow this, and if it crosses over from here, we might see greater bearish move. RSI has seen a dip here. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened? See this support, it is created, then a rise. I'll wait for 62 levels to be taken in order to confirm further bullishness. Also, right now you can see the 20 and 5 period moving averages are offering it a good support, and the resistance on the upside are equally strong. Let's wait for it to trade or breach either of these support levels. If you see now oil trading below 61, that is the point of time you can take a sell, but then wait for 60.5 to be taken, and if it trades below 65, wait for 60 and then 59.3. These levels are very, very crucial. Till 59.3, oil has a possibility of a bounce back. Else what's happening? It is staying in the box here. Let's wait for it to take a direction. If you see the stochastic here is looking downwards, while the MACD is crossing at the bottom. It is now trading in green, though trying to converge. The RSI is staying flat here. Look at the 3 hour charts. Now on the 3 hour charts, interestingly, the 5 and 20 period has crossed over. Now this is the crucial support zone which oil has to trade below. Only and only if you see oil trading below 61, you can expect bearishness. Else it is possible that it can deliver higher highs. Now, a strong point is for it to trade beyond 62 and 62.6 mark. These two levels are going to remain crucial for crude oil from here. And in fact, even if it trades below 62.6, 63, 63.3 and 64. So till 64, it has got greater hurdles for it to break beyond. Only and only if in the near term, when you see oil trading beyond 64, you can say it's a reversal. Stochastic looking downwards, while the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying below. The RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, see higher lows and higher highs. See, here also you can see bullishness got diminished and now it is trying to create a base either for it to launch or for it to correct. Now, if you see it is staying below 61, that's the beginning of correction here, possibly. And then if it tries to trade below 60.5, that will be the confirmation of a greater down move. Till 64.5 is not taken, I'll be cautious with the sells here. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD has hit a bottom. It has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. The RSI is staying flat here. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see it has created a step here. See, first of all, after a series of bearish candles, there is a reversal sign which is seen, one greener candle here, and now it is staying with the swings. Possibly it might stay with the swings here and fail to trade below 60.5. And if at all it closes somewhere here at around 61.5, the next move you are going to see tomorrow is going to be a greener candle. That is what is my expectation. And in fact, even if you see oil trading beyond 62 today, that will increase the possibility of 62.5, 62.6, 63, 63.3. And if these levels are taken, we are ready for a stronger reversal. Look at the move, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Bearishness getting diminished here. And if it delivers a breakout, this could be a stronger one. Till 64, no bullishness. Till 64, it is not yet a reversal. Till 64, the possibility of a downfall will be very, very high. Stochastic oversold, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can do, first thing is where you should buy. And yes, before I give you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the mentorship batch. The next batch starts soon. The dates are announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you are interested in just a trusted partner in trading with a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the targets here. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 62, you can buy, but then 62.4, 62.6, first resistance 63, second 63.3, third, and then 64, the ultimate one. As long as it stays below 64, it is not yet bullish. It can fall back, it can pull back again on the downside and trade bearish. And this zone now is going to remain critical for the day. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell at 61. Expect 60.6, 60.4 as the first target zone. Below this, certainly more bearishness should follow, 60, 59.3. If it trades below 59.3, stay short for 58.6, 57.8. And if these levels are taken, I think it is heading towards the bottom here, towards 55 very, very soon. And then that should not be the bottom. In fact, 50 should be the bottom if it trades below 55. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ 100 now. See, NASDAQ 100 today again has tried to move closer towards the critical milestone at 25,000 levels. And what's happening since the drop, it has retraced and now again trying to reverse from this zone. So now it is confirmed that 25,000 should be a struggle point here for Tech 100 to breach beyond. And if you see it is staying below 24,900, again you can take a sell for 24,840, 850 and 24,800. Any drop below 24,800 will confirm the further downside towards 24,700, the critical number for today. And if at all Tech 100 decides to trade below 24,700, that will be the confirmation for a possible beginning of a reversal here. Stochastic overbought. MACD after hitting the bottom, it crossed over, and see this waves here. This confirms there is lot much of upside still available here, and thus a move beyond 25,000, you have to stay bullish from there. If you see the RSI, this is also looking downward, slight bearish indication though. Look at the 2-hour charts, what's happening. It has taken the support here from the 5 and 20 period moving average. We can see drop, retracement, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 24,900 levels. 24,900, 850, 800, three levels here which Tech 100 has to trade below in order to confirm a down move, in order to confirm a possible reversal. Look at this and this, so almost head and shoulders here trying to reverse. It can head towards 24,800 and lower levels from here. Stochastic overbought. MACD, now interestingly, MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish wave here, and hence though the smaller time frames are confirming a downside on the 2-hour charts, the possibility of a rise exists here. So you have to watch out. If it breaches beyond 25,000, you have to stay bullish. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour charts, when you see the 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, rise, pullback, rise again, lower highs, slightly lower highs, slightly lower lows. Let's see if it gives you a breakout, a move beyond 25,000, 25,040, should be a clear indication of a rally ahead. We are looking at 25 100, 25 180, 25 240, or in fact higher marks, higher levels as well. See, higher highs, higher lows here. It is trying to reverse from slightly, you can say it is changing the slope here, which is a worry point, and thus if it gives you a breakout, it could bring stronger momentum on the upside. Stochastic overbought. MACD right now it's crossed over and it is trading with moderate bearishness here. So on the 3-hour charts, look at the fall here. Right from these levels, we follow a fall, and possibly this could be the level from which it is initiating the fall again. RSI comfortably placed. Look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Preceding few candles, you can see comes with the tail here. This is a supportive sign for the bulls, but yes, if it trades below 24,800 any point of time today, you can say this is the possible beginning of a downtrend, and then 24,700 has to be there, and ideally any move below 24,700 will confirm the reversal here. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now see, look at daily charts today. First, look at this candle. There is a pullback right from the highs here. Then we have seen today it is starting on a bullish note, looking upwards now. And see, it can still show you swings. Yes, once it trades below 24,800, that is the point of time you can confirm that it is ready for another round of drop here. Where first bearish candle, it could show you swing all the way towards 24,700 and then in fact 24,600, 400 mark. But right now it is looking upwards. So let's wait for it to trade below 24,800, which will confirm the downside here. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top, RSI at the top as well. So now considering this, what you can do, I will only recommend you to buy if you see NASDAQ 100 today trading about 25,000 mark. Expect 25,040, and I will say in between these levels, any point of time Tech 100 can reverse. So I'll say this complete zone is a good resistance. Then you can expect 25 100, 25 180, 25 240. Staying beyond 25 240 is where you can say sky is the limit on the upside. While on the downside, I will again recommend you to sell at 25 900. Expect 25 8 48 60 first target zone, 25 800 the next, and if it trades below this, expect 25 sorry, all these are 24 900 you can take a sell. Expect 24 800, and below this 24 700 720 should be there. So once 24 700 720 mark is taken, you can say that now it's the time for it to be ready with the fall here. You can expect 24 600, and then 24 400 should be there very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US30 today traded in a range, failed to trade beyond 46,900. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned only bullishness is above 46,900. It is yet struggling to trade beyond this. On the downside, look at the support level. So far it is trading in the range. Look at the down move, sideways movement, and once it trades now below 46,600, 46,700 and 46,600 zone, that will confirm the greater round of drop today. As long as now 46,800 is not taken, I will not recommend you to sell, and I'll say till 46,700 is stay cautious. Moving averages are bullish here. Stochastic rising while the MACD has crossed over with the sell here, right now trading bearish. The RSI is trading bearish as well. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at similar observation, drop, retracement, and now trying to reverse again. A move below 46,800, 750 and 700 mark should confirm the reversal from here. Stochastic bearish. MACD, interestingly, after a good rise, has just crossed over. It is indeed a bearish sign. The RSI is also bearish here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. The drop here, retracement, and now even if it trades below 46,800, you can stay with the sells for 46,750, 700 mark. And real bearishness is below 46,700, that is for sure. Stochastic flat, the MACD now trying to converge, crossover for a sell. Slight bearish indication, also it is coming at a highs here. RSI is also trading bearish. On the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. See, preceding candle could be the possible beginning of reversal confirmation, drop, retracement, and now it is, if you see, it is staying below 46,820 itself. You can take a sell for 46,760, 750 and 46,700. Below that, a greater correction should follow. But till then, do not treat this as bearish. That is pretty clear. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to converge, RSI flat here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, important to note, it has formed a megaphone here, rise, retracement, rise, and now possibility of a retracement exists here, but right now it is not showing any signs of weakness. I'll wait for it to trade below 46,700 mark. That will confirm the pull here on the downside, which could take US30 all the way towards 46 500 levels, and if it trades below 46,500, that could be the possible beginning of a reversal all the way towards 46,200 and 46,000 mark. Right now, I will say too early to jump onto that conclusion as it is still showing strength. Stochastic at top, MACD is bullish here, and if you look at RSI is also getting overbought. So now first, where you should buy? If you see it is staying beyond 46,900, stay with the buys here. Expect 47,000, 47,020. Yes, if at all it trades beyond 46,900, stay bullish from there, and then expect 47,100, 47,250, and then 47,500 could also be there. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 46,820. Expect it to move towards 46,760, 750. First target zone. 46,700 the next. Below this, ideally, I will be looking at 46,500 mark. And if it trades below 46,500, stay short for 46,200 and lower levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it.